Hello everyone. Today's video I'm going to go show you how to create connections between different assets to help visualize their connectivity as well as visualization for our radar utilizing our dome object. So to get started, we're gonna open up a scenario here that has a few objects in it, like this one here, which has a plane, a couple of radars placed on the map, as well as a satellite orbit. So to establish the connections, we can choose the object we want a connection to come in from. So if you open up, click on a object, go into the attribute editor and click on connections, and we do add connection. So here we can set up a connection with a connection type. This is just like a design that you can set up in the system. A bunch of them come with it. So let's say we want to connect one to the radar, as well as we're going to do another one to the radar 2, and same thing to the orbit for the satellite. That's basically it. Once that's set up, then it will use that design to establish a connection. So if we quickly jump over to the viewer side here, and again we look at our animation, you can go under filters, we already had open, and just enable to view the filter for the connections. So now you can see basically we have those connections, which is a dotted white line between the plane as it's moving along and radars, as well as we see the satellite come overhead. You can see the connection there as well. And as we play this through, you'll see the connections will follow along even up as the object is moving. Set up the domes is done in a similar way. Basically, you click on the object. There's a dome property that helps visualize the radar. So here, click on radar. It has basically a radius. So here, let's say if we give it a radius of 100,000 meters, and azimuth, which is basically how much coverage it has. So in this case, we'll just do 360. We could do the same thing for the other radar. And then jumping over to the viewer, enable the domes, and you can see it creates a dome visualization for that object. Showing the radar coverage with a 360-degree. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoy looking at how to make connections and radar visualizations, and speak to you next time.